Hey everyone, really quick video today. Just want to show you how to determine if your new BMW has adaptive cruise control or just a regular one. It's really hard to say here because these buttons here that really don't tell you much what kind of system you have in the car. But this is how you can figure it out. Go to your screen, under settings, get out of that. Find driving settings, okay? Under driver assistance, go again into driving mode. And then if you see under driving that you have distance control, like as you can see here, preferred distance is far. You can change that as well. But if you have this button, if you have this option in your car, that means that there is a adaptive cruise control, and you can adjust the distance here. Okay, you can always switch to regular one, but that's how you will know. So under driver assistance. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll post more videos that my customers are asking me all the time. Apparently there is some confusion about adaptive cruise control versus regular in BMW, so I hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.